everyone, and welcome back to another adventure. Today, we're cutting a hole in the van. So step number one was putting up the template, and now we are going to be drilling 4 holes into the van. Terrifying, but we'll get through it. 1 in each corner. Then we'll be able to draw the template on the exterior of the van. So for the next step, we drew an outline connecting the 4 holes. I'm gonna go ahead, cut a hole in the van. Let's hope it goes well. She fits. All right, we got this huge hole in the roof. It's time to install the fan. First step to sealing this up, let's clean off the edges really well. We got some sealant butyl tape. Apparently you're supposed to just putty this around the opening. Well, that's it for today's adventure. We got the fantastic fan installed successfully. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this content, and I'll see you in the next one.